Step 1. Create a page. Click Create and choose Custom Size from the menu on the left. Change the units to millimetres and enter your dimensions in the width and height fields. In this example, the width is 148mm and the height is 210mm. Add bleed. Add a guide 3mm in from the edge of your page. To do this, click File, Settings, Add Guides. Click on Custom and set both margins to 3mm. All other settings should be 0. This gives you your safe area 3mm in from the page edge. Show the bleed by clicking File, Settings, Show Print Bleed. Step 2. Start designing. Let's start with the full artwork page first. Create the design you want. You can do this in multiple ways. We've created a simple design using Canva's shape library to make the spots and added text. We've made the parts we want to foil a different colour so they stand out on the full artwork version. Notice how we've taken the spots into the bleed zones as well. This is essential if you want edge-to-edge print. Step 3. Create a foil-only page. Simply click on Duplicate Page, then remove anything that is not going to be foiled. Then change everything to black. Step 4. Create a print-only page. Make another duplicate of the first page just like before. On this page, we remove the foil elements from the page, leaving only the print. Step 5. Name your pages. Name the pages by clicking on the page title in the top left corner. Name them full_artwork, non_foiled, foil_only, and this will be the names of your PDF files when saved. Step 6. Save your artwork. Save your artwork as a PDF by clicking File, Download. In File Type, select PDF Print. Tick the option for crop marks and bleed. In Select Pages, deselect all pages and select Page 1 only. In the colour profile, ensure CMYK, Best for Professional Printing, is selected. You'll need to do the same for all of the other pages as well. Untick page 1 and tick page 2, etc. So you end up with 3 separate PDFs, all named correctly. And that's it. You're all good to go. Head over to printed.com/support for further help and support.